Bunta.
My own dog.
Jabe. May buntag pod. Gusto salida. Unsay mo salida? Salida. Oh no, somebody's away. Let's change the shirt. Where are we going?
To get lunch.
Grocery. Okay, what do you wanna watch? Wanna watch? No. Charlotte, Daddy said get dressed. We're gonna go get some groceries. Unsay mo gusto na? Larva? Lava. Say Aba. Unsay mo gusto no, be? Nabi, unsay mo gusto? Kani? Asaan mo gusto? Okay. Lava. Is Abe okay?
Oh, there he is. He's not very sweaty. I was making hiccups. Nope. I was making hiccups. Hi, bud. Here's the store.
We got some pizza for lunch.
I like the big one.
You hungry? You want some pizza? Panggutom na sila.
Okay, and I'll have the cheese. I'll have the cheese.
Like this? Outfit. Is it Elsa? Ah.
Yes, look how she.
Oh, look, Shiloh, you have this.
I remember. Oh, these are that one.
This is for Abe. Mario for Abraham.
Mommy,
Huh?
oh,
Anna's dress on me.
I want to see how you got that.
But my favorite is this one. So
My
pretty.
favorite is the moon landing. Oh, I like the aerial.
Yeah.
Pop top.
Huh?
Pop.
Ghost.
That.
No, we don't celebrate Halloween.
Hey.
Oh, there's a doll house.
Huh?
Doll house.
Oh, I like.
Whoa. Shoes.
Oh, that's a nice face.
That's Elsa.
Oh. That's cool.
Oh, there's some swing over here. Where's the swimming? There's no swimming. This one is modest.
I want to get this.
You like this, Yomi?
That's for you.
You need to wear a long sleeve so you don't get burned in the sun. Right?
This is the one I like.
Oh, Yomi found a dress that she likes.
I'll find it. Oh, I like that one.
Try it on. Which one fits? Try look at this one, like fits you.
Yeah.
Something pretty. Like a Hawaiian. Ilang t-shirt shall I show this? It's only $4.
I'll try on the pink. Whoa. It's fun. I like
some
I like the small one. 20, 22, 20.
This is where you write your schedule and stuff. stickers. We have curriculums.
Video game.
This is what we got you last time.
This one's not the same size. It looks more small.
Yeah, this is the one.
This is not the right one. And the unicorn one was not sure.
Magyapon ka na humandong. Colors, yay! Whoa, cool.
Rainbow.
How much is
I want to get
this? Is nice for all the storage stuff.
Can I get myself one?
You know what?
Hey, help! Help!
Be quiet, Dave.
Shadow, look at the laptops. Look, over there.
So gusto mag-karaoke. If you wanna sing a song, pow pow. Tapos na Yumi, sa ilalim. During shopping, we're very all hot. We're all init. Wala ka gigang? Yumi, lobat na ka umi.
Hey,
Are you
Mom.
out of battery?
Mom,
Is she asleep, Shallow?
Nope.
You okay, Umi?
Hey, Mom. Hey, I have a new earphone.
Okay. You okay, Bob?
I'm out.
Go home now and... Hello, he still wants to eat. Gusto pa siya mukaon. Tagi siya og sausage. See, ang batang masiba. Gusto siya mukaon. Shallow, there's still a bunch of rice in here you gotta eat. I like your food, Nyo. Dami na dong.
Let's go get it.
Hala, nisundog siya yun siya hunong. What's hunong, Umi?
Hunong is stop.
Abe, say hunong. Hunong. Ayaw kan ang...
Hunong.
You're in a bus and you want this to stop, you just say para.